Okay, so here's part two of Jan's potato croquette pie, which I made on the fly. So I put it in for 350 for 20 minutes. That seemed to do the trick for me. What happened was I was checking in on it at about 18 minutes, and I saw that the bottom was really the perfect sort of browning that I liked to it. I didn't want it to go any longer for fear of burning it. So for me, 350 at 20 minutes did the trick. I highly recommend this. I highly, highly, highly. It can only be nothing but good. There you go. So listen, let me know in the comment section below if you've done anything like this or similar to this, or do you get, spontaneous in the kitchen? I was about to make the patties and fry them. I said, I don't want to fry them. I want to save on the mess. I want to save on the grease, but the flavors are here. So this is a good thing. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Take good care. Bye bye.